In October 2021, Apple have unveiled the third generation AirPods, which feature the first design change to the AirPods since their 2016 introduction. I think we have waited a long time for this, especially since it has been about 2 years when the second generation AirPods have been released. Hi, my name is Ryan, and here we have the new third generation AirPods without all the plastic that's usually wrapped around it. With packaging, Apple have moved from the petroleum-based plastics to fiber-based materials to help reduce Apple's environmental impact. Turning it around, we have the barcodes accompanied along with all the details about the product, but I know you guys are most excited for what's inside. So in here, at first sight, we have the documentation along with the AirPods in the MagSafe charging case, and then last but not least, we are greeted with a Lightning to USB-C cable that is rolled up in a very neat manner. According to Apple, these AirPods come at a price of £169, and as with all Apple products, the setup is effortless. Just pull them out the case and they're ready to use. The force sensor gives you even more control over your music by allowing you to play, pause and skip through songs or answer and end calls. But before I tell you more about its features, let's start off by looking at its design. Looking at the MagSafe charging case, you can see it comes at a greater width and feels a lot more chunkier when holding it in comparison to the second generation AirPods case. The AirPods are lightweight and offer a contoured design. Putting these on has never been better. They sit at just the right angle for comfort and to better direct audio to your ear. You'd be happy to know that this stem is 33% shorter than the second generation AirPods and includes a force sensor to easily control your music and calls. When it comes to sound, Apple have claimed that they've made a lot of major improvements when it comes to the sound quality. Apple have implemented a spatial audio with dynamic head tracking whereby sound is placed all around you to create an immersive three-dimensional listening experience for music, TV shows and movies. Gyroscopes and accelerometers in AirPods work together to track your head movements, so it sounds like you're in the center of songs and scenes. I personally think this is a really cool feature which helps to deliver that great immersive experience. Making phone calls using these AirPods has never been better. The AirPods are covered in a special acoustic mesh. An inset microphone in each earbud minimizes wind noise when you're on a call, so your voice is always heard loud and clear. With its adaptive EQ, music is automatically tuned to suit the shape of your ear. Inward-facing microphones detect what you're hearing, then adjust low and mid-range frequencies to deliver the rich details in every song. Therefore, when it comes to sound quality, I must say there has been a big improvement from their second generation AirPods. And also the bass hits an all-time high. Apple has claimed that they have spent a lot of time designing a dynamic driver powered by a custom amplifier which renders music in exceptionally detailed sound quality, so you revel in every tone from deep, rich bass to crisp, clean highs. And I must say, Apple have not disappointed. However, I think these AirPods would have been a masterpiece if they had active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The great sense of detection in these AirPods are just amazing. It has an enhanced skin detecting sensor that is able to tell the difference between your ear and other surfaces, so audio only plays when you're wearing your AirPods and pauses when they're in your pocket or on a table. If you're someone who enjoys working out or lives in a country where it constantly rains, you'd be happy to know that both AirPods and the MagSafe charging case are rated IPX4 sweat and water resistant, so they'll withstand anything from rain to heavy workouts. I believe that this is a very special feature that they've added. As with all Apple products, they never tend to disappoint when it comes to how seamlessly they are able to connect to your Apple device. And just to note, these AirPods can also be used on Android phones. So all you have to do is just press this button at the back and go on your Android and search for Bluetooth connections. Once found, all you have to do is select it and it should automatically connect. When it comes to battery, Apple have definitely made a huge improvement. It offers up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, whereas the second generation AirPods offered up to 5 hours and the AirPods Pro offer 4.5 hours, therefore making these third generation AirPods classed as the best ones when it comes to battery life. Also, another interesting feature is that just charging your AirPods in the case for just 5 minutes generates around an hour of listening time. Another good thing is that wireless charging now comes as standard, which makes it very easy to charge your AirPods when you're on the go. So overall, there is no doubt the AirPods 3 have not disappointed with their smarter technology, better battery life, a sensible pro-like aesthetic, and some great new features headlined by spatial audio. They also raised the bar in terms of sound quality. So if you're someone that's upgrading from your first or second generation AirPods, I think these are definitely worth the upgrade, especially if you use your iPhone or iPad to watch movies and TV shows and will take advantage of spatial audio. We have now come to the end of the video, and I hope this video will help you guys decide on whether you should purchase these third generation AirPods. And until then, I'll catch you guys on my next video.